Hello everyone. In my previous flying video, it was my first time back in the air after a few month break, and we were knocking off a lot of the rust, and today we're going to continue to sharpen my skills back up at my go-to flying spot. Now, this spot is not my favorite spot because I don't think the spacing of the trees is super ideal for flow, but it is pretty much always empty. And there's a playground in the middle, so this time around I was incorporating that into my flying. Since they're so tight, it really forces you to be a more precise and better pilot. So if you can find an empty playground, definitely, try flying around it and through it for a couple packs. It'll make you a better pilot faster than flying in a higher speed, more open spot, in my opinion. And friendly reminder, the custom frame I'm using in my flying videos is available for purchase. Check out the links in the description. It's a great way to support the channel. So enjoy the flight and thanks for watching.